What's up, Bostelinas? We're going to a car meet today. Well, we're gonna go to a car meet if this check engine light doesn't come on. If this check engine light comes on, then I think we're gonna go to the dealer. Oh, dude, we're good. Ooh, we good. Yes, dude. Maybe it's just a fluke. Haven't ridden her since New Year's, and that morning check engine light was on. It went off when we went to the gas station though. When we went to the gas station, got gas, turned it back on, and it was off. So this bike is awesome because it has a cigarette lighter adapter. You probably can't even see it. I got an Indy 64 on here today, so nice and dim. And it's like in the 40s, so it's freaking freezing cold. Surprised she ain't smoking. She smells rich though. Oh shit, check engine light is on. Damn it. Let's go to the dealer and get them to pull a code. No car meet today. Dang, man. Oh well. We gotta find out what's wrong with her though. But let's do this. Let's turn it off. And let's turn it back on. Okay. Well, let's go get gas and see what happens. Weird that it's only coming on when you first turn it on when it's cold. Maybe the cold has something to do with it. Oh man, what's up, Bostelinas? Dude, when you do that, this thing just like leaps to life like a caged animal. You just open the cage. Golly, bro. It was just jumping and splitting, and both wheels would come off the ground. Front wheels coming up and the back wheels slipping at the same time, bro. A freaking monster. Hell yeah, Bostelinas. I guess we're gonna act like that check engine light thing didn't happen. Oh, dude, what's the first stage of grief? Is denial, right? Isn't that the first one? So we're just gonna deny that it's even happening until it's really happening, and then we'll deal with it. There's a lot of things it could be, bro. The fact that it's turning off, that's a good sign. Alright, we're gonna go stop and get gas and see if she comes back on. And if she don't, we're gonna look at some cars. Oh, that lady got a little kid on the back of that thing. He's got them little stubby arms trying to hold on to that big woman. Dude, well, in some families it's just sink or swim, dude. Oh, we lost another one. We'll just make more. Boom, boom. Like, sounds good. That quiet exhaust is kind of growing on me. Whoops. I did it again. All right, Bostelinas. Let's go look at some cars. Well, let's see if this check engine light comes on. Nope. Actually, it took a minute last time, huh? We're good. All right, let's go look at some cars. Checking. No check engine light. No check engine light. Now from here, I don't know where to go, so I'm gonna have to pay attention. Because because I'm just gonna pass up the turn. I'm real bad at passing up the turn. That's been a problem my whole life, dude. Let's see, where are we getting off? Stacy Road. Look at that. We're going right into the wind now, Bozzolino! Oh, shoot, right here. Dude, I told you. I told you. I didn't pass it though. Those things are pretty badass. I mean, they're Jaguars, so I think like Ford makes it now. That kind of sucks, but regardless, dude. Yeah, bro. Man, there was a cop right there. Y'all seen that? Me and him are both idiots. We're both stupid. Dang, dude. I was about to go try to race this guy. I was right in front of a cop, dude. I should get off my bike at the red light like Fastlane D does. He just starts, he gets off his bike at the red light. There's all these cars around him. He's like just looking at his bike and talking and dancing and shit. And they're all like, go. I'm like, bitch, you better be on that bike when that light turns green. I'm running your ass over. People thinking, damn, how did a crackhead get a $40,000 motorcycle? I better quit talking crap. Fastlane D's big. Oh, some McLarens, some Vets, freaking Lotuses. Hell yeah, Bossolinas, this is badass. Let's go have a look-see. music so I don't catch copyright claims. Yo, what's up, Bostonians? Thanks for hanging out today, man. It was fun, dude. I'm glad I left the house. I wasn't gonna because it was so cold this morning. Dude, this is fun. I saw some cool ass cars, man. Seen some shit I never seen before in real life. So yeah, I guess we'll get out of here and go home, work on a video. This was fun though. I'm glad I left. It actually warmed up. It's like in the 50s now. It was like in the low 40s when I left the house. Oh yeah, Bostonians, I'll see y'all in a little bit. What's up, Bostonians? I messed up. I accidentally had the camera in time-lapse mode when we left the thing. But I got it fixed now, I think. And look, see, got these things. I kicked one of them off my bike. But it's not, I got the thing. It's just there's these two little clips in there that hold it in that are now no longer functional. So it's in my backpack. But that's something to remember though. The dude told me that first day, he's like, you're gonna go to kick your leg over it and you're gonna kick them things off. He's like, just try not to leave it in the parking lot. But we just gotta order the clips. It just sucks because them clips are freaking, they're like $5 a piece, but it's like $10 shipping, you know? So you're looking at like 20 bucks for two little tiny plastic clips. It's dumb, bro. All right, we got gas. We needed gas. Yeah, I was in time-lapse mode. I noticed really because the light was blinking different. So evidently the light blinks different. I never use time-lapse. All right, let's go home. Today was fun, dude. I appreciate y'all hanging out with me, dude. I had a blast. What are we gonna do? Let's see if we can come out over here somewhere. Saw a bunch of cool people. Met a bunch of new people, man. I didn't know anybody there. Well, the girl who organized it, I knew her. She's freaking cool, man. What are you doing? This ain't England? I was going living in England, bro. Alright, what are we gonna do? Oh shit. Ah, we're gonna get killed. Ah! Oh my god, dude. Yield to the traffic. Here we go. There used to be a way bigger meet every third Saturday, but they stopped having it because they got too big. So it looks like this is the new meet. And once everybody finds out about it, they're gonna shut it down too. That's what they do, bro. The fun police. Here to keep you from smiling, laughing, and having a good time. All three are misdemeanors, but when you do them together, it's a felony. Bouncing? You always got enough juice to get where you need to go, bro. Oh, I love this bike. I love your bike so much. Hey, Bossalinas, thanks again for hanging out today, bro. That was so much fun. Sorry I messed up. I must have turned the power button on twice. If you hit it once, it turns the camera on, it goes to video mode, wherever you told it to default. But if you hit it again, it changes to the next mode. So I must have turned it on while it was already on. You know what I'm saying? But hell yeah, bro, it was so much fun, dude. Met some new people, saw some cool ass cars. So glad I left the house, bro. It was cold this morning. I did not want to get on this bike. And I was worried about that whole check engine light situation. I was like, I don't want to start this thing and see a check engine light come on. All right, Bossalinas, I love you guys. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, Bossalina.